What's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Radcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger, man. We in a live trade right now, guys, and as you guys can see, it is 6:02 in the morning. We are in a trade on Apex account in MNQ, and we are also in a trade. This is Apex and this is Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is in a gold trade. I'm in two trades at the same time, man, on MNQ and gold. Two different instruments, man. We're gonna see if this pan out, man. As you guys can see, I gotta get ready to go into work, but just wanted to record this right quick. We are coming out of a breakout. This simple trade, man. Once I saw it break out of this is a major trend line down here, this white line. I said once it break out of this little trend line right here, this downward trend line, I'm aiming for the highs up here. We're gonna see what it do. Once it hit a 1-to-1, I'm putting it at break even and let the trade play out, man. I'm gonna keep monitoring it. On gold over here, same thing, same setup, man. We keeping it simple, guys. We hit a major trend line on the bottom line on gold over here, and we did another breakout, man. Just keeping it simple, bro. I'm not trying to do anything extra, man. Now, if I go to the 5-minute time frame, I took this because of a flag, man. Beautiful flag, man. I drew a white line here, and I'm aiming for all the way up here for these highs, man. Keeping it simple, man. I think I got a very good entry on this. Caught the bottom of this. I seen a flag forming, and I wanted to make sure I grabbed it at the bottom, man. So yeah, we in two trades, man. Apex funded account and Take Profit Trader funded account. Two funded accounts, man, going on at the same time right now, guys. Man, it's been a while since I did this. I said I wasn't gonna trade both at the same time, so my focus today, if I seen a setup, was to go Take Profit Trader, but I also seen a setup on Apex. I'm like, I'm finna take this too, man. I'm gonna choose Take Profit Trader and take the gold trade. I'm gonna take Apex and take the NASDAQ trade, man. We gonna see what's gonna happen, man. I gotta monitor it because I remember the trailing drawdown, guys. I gotta watch that, and I'm keeping my eyes on that trailing drawdown, man. So we had already semi-hit on gold over here. We already semi-hit the 1-to-1, so I have this trade at break even already. Gotta watch that drawdown, man. I said once it hit a 1-to-1, I'm putting it at break even. Once it hit a 1-to-2, put it at a 1-to-1. Once it hit a 1-to-3, put it at so forth and so forth, man. We're gonna keep doing that, man. So this trade is already at break even, waiting for NASDAQ to get to my 25 points, so I can put that at break even, man. I'm watching my trailing drawdown. Two trades, guys. We in it, baby. Yes, sir. All right, guys. You see it barely almost touched my 1-to-1. I'm not finna play around with that because I'll be working and stuff. Break even. 1, 2, 3. Yep, right there is good. Modify. All right, we good on that. All right. So now, guys, this is my Take Profit Trader. As you guys can see, we're still playing around. We already hit a 1-to-1. This trade is at break even. Risk-free trade. So both of them are risk-free trades now, man. See if they hit TP. As you guys can see, that's my Take Profit Trader account. Alright, y'all, just wanted to give y'all a little update, man, and two trades on both accounts on two phones, man. That's how we do it, man. We are watching this trailing drawdown. Alright, so I'll get back with y'all in a minute, man. Get ready to go to work, fill this stuff up. Once I take a break, I'll let y'all know what's up, man. Stay tuned in, man. Corey the Phone Trader at it again, baby. So, guys, right now, this is Apex, and as you guys can see, this don't look good. That's getting ready to stop me out, man. I took a breakout, and yeah, Let's get ready to get stopped out probably, but it's okay. Break even trade, man, on Apex. You just seen it. We broke out even, guys. We only lost $2.16. So let's go check out Take Profit Trader. All right, guys, so this is Take Profit Trader. This thing is playing around. So what I want to do is to make sure I come out of the market with something, man. It's been playing in this area. I'm getting ready to move my stop loss to a 1-to-1, bro. So that's 1, 2, 3. We'll put it right there. Yeah, I'm fine with this, guys, man. That's where I wanted it. Modify. So, doesn't matter what happens now, man. Alright, guys, update 7:13. And we got stopped out, man. My, where I wanted to get stopped out at was, where that blue line at. That's my 1-to-1. So I'm gonna click on this trade of 18 up here, count summary. So today we made $138 on our Take Profit Trader funded account, man. All right, guys, 8:53 a.m. Update, guys. I took another trade with Apex on gold, micro gold, man. We were up almost about 200. Well, we was up 100 and some bucks. Now we're down, man. What made me took this trade, man? I'm like, it don't want to go down, so maybe it want to go up. So earlier I drew this trend line going this way, man. Just a little bit of support and resistance and trend line stuff, man. And it broke out of this trend line. Well, it came back down, and I'm like, well, it seemed like it don't want to come back down no more, man. It kept rejecting in that area, man. Hit this liquid zone, and it just kept respecting this liquid zone. So I'm like, you know what? If this trade gets above this trend line again, I'm going to take it, man. As you guys can see, we just keep playing around. I'm going to stay in it, though, man. We was just down. Now we up again. I'm aiming for the previous high of it over here, man. That was the 13th. Wow. And today is what? Today is the 20th. So I'm aiming for the 13th high. Maybe somewhere in this area. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have a tight stop loss. So I'm in a current live trade, guys, man. I just decided to take it again, man, just to see what this thing gonna do, man. We get ready to hit my 1-to-1. So, oh gosh. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. We in there. Woo, boy. Moving my stop loss now, y'all. We moving it. So now we coming out of the market with profit, guys. Yes, sir. Let me move it up a little bit, cover fees and stuff. Gold is moving, baby. Let's go. Where's my 1-to-2 at? It's right there. Woo-wee. That shot out the gate, man. I may be getting ready to take partial profits again, guys. I'm not playing with this trailing stop, this trailing drawdown, man. So that's my 1-to-2. I'm gonna make that white. Okay. I'm gonna put that about 0.15. All right, we just hit it. So now I'm moving my stop loss again. I'm taking gains, y'all. I'm not playing with this. Taking more gains. That's a 1-to-2 right there. So now, what's a 1-to-3? A 1-to-3 is up here. Jeez, I don't know if we'll get up there. You guys seeing it live, man. Man, my prediction was right, man. Woo, my gosh. Oh, yes, sir. We in there. Come on, baby. So now if the market decide to come stop me out, we made good profit, man. I think we're probably at about $300-something. This thing moving. Gold is pushing, boy. Woo! All right. We at half. Let's move it up again. Yes, sir. So we coming out of the market with at least $400. We getting ready to, man, are we gonna hit this thing? It's getting ready to hit my full TP. Let's go. All right, look at this. Moving it again. Moving it right there. Yes, sir. We grabbing it. I'm not playing with this trailing drawdown, bro. I sure ain't. Man, gold shot up. Woo! Let's go. Hit my TP hit, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. You see that? We made $536.82 on that. We got the account at 51,000. Wow. Well, officially, it's not actually $50,000. The actual money that I made, because this is a 50K account, this is a for real funded account. We officially made $1,800, y'all, on this trade, man. I mean, well, we made $536.82 on this trade, but we officially made $1,008.64 of real money. Man, you guys seen that live, man. That was a beautiful trade, man. Let's go, man. Yes, sir. That was beautiful. It came and hit this. It's getting ready to hit that. I think it is. This thing probably finna keep pumping, man. Man, that was a good trade, man. Very, very good trade. My game plan, guys, is with these funded accounts that I think I discussed last video. So I'm going for max payout with this Apex account. They said once I trade like 8 days or something like that, and I have the account at the buffer of like $2,600, I can request $500. I'm going for the max payout. The max payout is getting the Apex account to $4,100. Don't matter how long it take me, I just have to at least have 8 days of trading. If I have $4,100 in my Apex 50K account, funded account, we can request $2,000. So if I have the account at $2,600, I can request $500. If I have the account at $4,100, I can request $2,000. We're going for max payout, man. Hey, man, it's funded. I ain't in no rush. I only got time, man. Why not shoot for the bigger shoot for the bigger dog, man? Hey, go big or go home, man. I'd rather have $2,000 rather than $500. Shoot, man, we just keep taking quality, decent setups, man. Shoot, we'll get there. Shoot, I'm already at 1,000. I only need 3 more. Shoot, man. At this rate, we doing good. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna keep riding the wave, man. I'm not playing with this trailing drawdown, bro. You see it yourself. I got a tight stop loss, and I mean that joker is super tight. I'm not playing with that, man. But yeah, this joker hit for almost $1,200, and this thing is still pumping, man. But hey, I made my profit. I'm done for the day. I'm good. I'm not finna get greedy. I made profit in my Take Profit Trader funded account, and I made profit in this Apex account, guys. Show you again. $536.82. And in my Take Profit Trader funded account, $138. Man, I'm straight with that. So I officially, let's get the numbers together, y'all. $536.82 plus $138. Drum roll, please. What did we officially make today? $674.82 of real money. This ain't no eval or no combine. We actually made $674.82 of real money. Man, good trading today, man. I'm blessed and I'm thankful, man. Great trading today, man. Really good setup. So, man, we have this Apex account at a decent spot, man. I'm looking forward to getting this Take Profit Trader at a decent spot. Like I said, we're on the Apex funded account. We are aiming for $4,100. Once we get that account at $4,100, we can officially request $2,000. And on the Take Profit Trader account, once that account is at $26,500, anything after that, because that's the buffer, anything after $26,500 is money for me in my bank account. Once I have that threshold, once I have that account at $26,500, and I keep trading, like say for instance, once I'm at that buffer, and I make $400, that same night, y'all, I can request $400. If I make $400 in a trade and I'm at that buffer, I can request that same $400, and it'll be in my bank within 1 or 2 days. So that's what I love about this Take Profit Trader account. I can request a payout every day. Man, I'm excited, man. I'm just taking my time, man. I'm not in no rush. I'm just trying to find the best setups that fit me, man. Well, on that note, guys, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the phone trader got coming out, man. Man, excellent trading today, man. You guys, I got a better camera that's coming. I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 coming, man. So, hey, man, we finna get some more cinematic views. We gonna start doing day in the life videos again, y'all, man. Me being a videography guy, I just needed another camera in case I get calls and stuff, like doing little small events and stuff, and another vlog camera. And, you know, I have a certain look that I want, man. So we got the new camera coming, man. Stay tuned for that, guys. Sorry if this notification stuff coming up, man. I got a bunch of family group text going on, but you guys stay tuned, man. Some more stuff coming to the channel. I'll give you an update on our floors in the basement. My nephew has been doing that. The floors look good. We were able to get some more furniture, some new furniture to get put down there. Man, God is just blessing us. You know what I'm saying? We went through that phase, boy. The basement getting flooded. I had to throw a lot of stuff away. There's some stuff that I didn't even need anyway. I was getting ready to buy a laptop, didn't even need that. So God is teaching me just to be complacent, be consistent with what I have, and only get the stuff that I need, man. So it is what it is. I'm good. I'm straight, man. On that note, man, peace, blessings, love y'all. Until next video, man. And you know the motto after every video in 3, 2, 1. I holla. Peace out, baby. We had a good day today, baby. Yes, sir. I holla.